Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Alligator Live truck build featuring Operation Snowflake. And in some of the previous videos, I touched bases on suspension, but never really got in depth with it because I was really indecisive at the time. Wasn't quite sure if I was going to do a 4-inch or a 4.5-inch lift kit or a 6-inch lift kit. And but keeping the end game in mind, I really wanted to make this an ultimate tow truck. So I felt like a 6-inch was a little too tall. And I really wanted to keep the tires down to that 35-inch range. And I think with a 6-inch lift kit and 35s, it leaves a little too much wheel well. So made the decision we're doing either a 4-inch or 4.5-inch lift kit. And in that realm, really started thinking of what I wanted in this suspension kit, and limited it down to about 2 different companies. And reason for that was most companies only do springs in the front and pucks in the rear, and I really wanted to do new springs both in the front and in the rear. And so that made the decision come to doing this BDS Suspension 4-inch 4-link system kit. So with this kit, we fully customized it from its base platform, and we added in the dual steering stabilizers with the Fox shocks, did the adjustable front track bar. The kit comes with a drop-down bracket as well and a pitman arm. Upgraded to stainless steel braided front brake lines. Did the dual shock hoops with the Fox 2.0 shocks in the front corners there. And of course, the kit includes the front springs, the heavy-duty brackets, and the front 4 links. And as we move further back in the kit, also doing the Fox 2.0s in the rear, the heavy-duty springs obviously versus doing pucks like most kits. And then we also added in the adjustable track bar in the rear as well. So this kit we're actually going to install before the Ultimate Callout Challenge event, just due to the time restrictions we have there. We have 3 days and we have a lot of stuff. We have compound turbos, injectors, head studs, lift kit, wheels, tires, front rear bumpers, bed accessories. I mean, the list goes on and on. And so we're going to install this lift kit here. There's going to be a slight delay, obviously, because I want to do some powder coating. So I haven't quite made up my mind on exactly what color scheme I'm going to do with this, but it'll be made here in the next few weeks. And so we're going to powder coat pretty much all the arms, the brackets, the springs, along with some of the other brackets from the pack brake kit. Bumpers are coming in here soon. I'll get the bumpers powder coated as well. So there's a lot of things we need to get done on this build, and very little time. So stick with us, follow along with us as we continue this build leading up to the Ultimate Callout Challenge and the DPI Expo in May. And if you can't join us there at the Ultimate Callout Challenge, make sure you follow along with this video series as we evolve Operation Snowflake from this factory setup to this badass towing truck build.